get started on replacing the front brake pads and rotors. So in here it's like really tight. There we go. You want to make sure that when you do this, you do it nice and slow, because it's gonna be shooting brake fluid back into the reservoir, and you don't want to damage your cable. I'll sit you right up there for now. Unfortunately, I left one of my tools in my toolbox at my house, so we are going to improvise and get this down properly. Alright, so you can see that these are bad. So let's go ahead and clean this up. What the fuck? Get back down. Enough wax, it'll come out. It's just not my regular one that I would use. And then we're going to coat it with some nice, good, clean copper anti-seize. We don't want to put it on the studs. Now I'm going to go ahead and spray it. But first I'm going to hook up my compressor to my EcoFlow generator. And we're going to use that for compressed air. So you're going to hear some loud noise. I forgot my other smaller gun, so now I'm just going to clean this off by hand. It's just going to take a little bit longer. You can see the comparison of what it looked like before and after. Like I said, I normally would have my gun, but I just forgot it this morning. But improvise, get it done, and you keep going. Just so you see, and then you just rub it in there. And that's where the brackets are going to sit. So now you can see, put the new brackets on. And now I'm going to take out little slide pins and then clean it off and then grease it. See? Clean it off. And then you're going to hit these with some brake lubricant. And on those little guide pins, when you're actually putting them back on, you want to make sure that you give them that little oomph, so that way it's on there nice and tight, but you don't want to overdo it because you'll mess around and break it. So, and then that would be a whole nother problem that you don't want. Now we're going to go ahead and put on the tire because this side is completed. All right, so let's go ahead and fly through this side, get this side completed as well. On this side, I'm not going to talk as much. All right, so make sure you don't breathe that in. I hold my breath the entire time. It'll cause cancer, so you don't want to breathe that in. There we go. Okay. There we go. Just had to turn that cable around to readjust it. Now we can put back on the bolts. There we go. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna show you guys me twerking this down to 100 foot-pounds. All right, now we're good to go. Vehicle is finished.